Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or any other browser or use Google Play Store on your Poco X4 GT. So as you can see, if I open YouTube, there's a problem and I can access this website. Now let's visit Google Play Store, try opening any app, and it's the same thing. So to fix this, let's go to our settings, scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Here select date and time and make sure that the set time automatically is enabled. Now if we open Google Chrome, it works perfectly, and the same as with Google Play Store. We can now access any app and download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.